Hi, what's up everyone? This is Prachi and welcome back to my channel. So आज का video is थोड़ा हटके compared to the other videos because it is going to be a recipe video. As mentioned, is going to be a veg mayo sandwich, which is super easy and super quick. So without any further ado, let's get started. Now you need some shredded carrots, baby corn, chopped capsicum, tomatoes. Make sure tomatoes are not very juicy. Tomato ketchup, mashed potatoes, salt and pepper. Brown bread, you can use brown or white bread depending upon your preference. Mixed herbs, red chili sauce, and of course mayonnaise. Now we have to take a bowl and mix all these ingredients into it. Let's start with carrot. I'm taking approximately 3 spoonfuls of carrot. Approximately 3.5 spoons of mashed potatoes. 2 spoons full of chopped cabbage, and again 3 spoons full of boiled baby corn, or maybe just the corn. Adding approximately 2 spoons of tomatoes, 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, 1.5 tablespoon of red chili sauce, mixed herbs a little, and of course lots of mayonnaise. Once we are done, we'll add some salt and pepper as per the taste. And finally mix all the ingredients very well. Now remember, we don't want a very runny consistency. If you have a very runny consistency, add more veggies to it. And voila, that's how your stuffing looks like. Delicious now. Next we will be taking buttered bread and we'll be layering that stuffing over it. Place another bread on top of it, and we are done. That's how your sandwich looks like. Presentation इतना अच्छा नहीं है, I know, but taste में बहुत अच्छा है. Wasn't it super easy? Now it is also going to taste very delicious once you make it at home. Also, if you love the taste of mayo, you are gonna end up making this dish very frequently. Feel free to add or ditch veggies depending upon your preferences. And also don't forget to share the snap of the dish once you make it at home. Would love to see your snaps. Until then, like the video, share it and add your comment below. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll see you in the next Saturday video. Until then, bye.